Hello again. So we're into a more rural area. Lots of big trees, palms, some coconut groves, fewer cars. The overcast sky has lifted somewhat and there are some blue spots here and there. And with that, it's gotten warmer. I'm enjoying the ride. My butt is killing me, but I'm trying to stay in the moment here. Lots of vegetables for sale, lots of fruit for sale. Flowers galore. It's a nice day. I've got about 33 kilometers done today with no particular goal in mind. There might be a large Hindu temple just north of here. So let's see how that pans out. Catch you later. The weather's great. I'm in no particular hurry to get anywhere, but I'm gonna just keep going. There's not much here other than the beautiful scenery. The weather's great. I'm in no particular hurry to get anywhere, but I'm gonna just keep going. There's not much here other than the beautiful scenery. The weather's great. I'm in no particular hurry to get anywhere, but I'm gonna just keep going. There's not much here other than the beautiful scenery. This is a public rest area. So here you can come and barbecue or cook or sleep or do whatever you like. There are clean restrooms over there. and fresh papaya. Too fresh to eat. Well, I put in 90 kilometers today. I sure as hell didn't want to do that, but there was just no place to stay. I'm in a hotel famine zone. There's nothing, no guest houses, no hotels, no hostels, nothing. But tomorrow I'm going back into what is more of a touristy zone, so things will improve there, I hope. My butt is really giving me problems, but you know, on the bright side, I did finally find a hotel. It's okay. It's okay. The bed is clean. The bedding is clean. Unbelievably, the hotel does not come with toilet paper, and it does not come with a towel in the shower, and it did not have a blanket. I mean, I don't need a thick blanket, just a sheet, you know. And finally, he came up with a sheet, and yeah, I thank him for that, and I appreciate having this. I'm going to have a nice shower. Everything's good. Okay, see you tomorrow morning.